Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, we're going to pick up where we left off in the last one, get this outdrive gear oil changed, install a new impeller, and install a new thermostat. Let's get started. Alright, to change the oil in this outdrive, we've got 3 vents. Got one down here where we drain it, one right here where there's a vent, and one up top back here, which is a dipstick plug. So we're going to take this plug out to drain the oil, take this plug out to vent some air into it, take this top dipstick plug out to let air into it, and once we get it all drained, we'll fill from this bottom hole. You have to fill from the bottom, keep you from getting pockets of air inside of it. Fill from this bottom hole until it comes out this middle vent, and we'll put the plug back in the middle vent, and then we'll fill all the way up to the top until we reach the mark on the dipstick. But one thing I'm pretty sure of is that there's water in this drive. Don't know exactly where it's coming from, but for right now I'm going to change it. I'm going to put an impeller in it and seal all that up. Maybe that's where the water's coming from in the impeller, or around the impeller, and then we'll check it out again later on, see if we're still getting water in it. So far so good. I don't see any water in it. I was pretty sure I saw some in it in the top, but we'll see how it goes. It's definitely dirty oil. It needs to be changed for sure. Alright, I won't bore you with the rest of the draining. It's going to take a little while.
3 hours later.
Alright, so I got him drained down here pretty good. What I've got is a pump. It's on a quart bottle of oil. I have a piece of screws in the end of the drive. So I'm going to screw this in there, pump some oil in it, and we'll wait for it to come out this vent over here. Vent hole here. Alright, get this plug back out. Got this plugged up down here. This plug back out. Put the hose back in here. Now we're going to fill the rest of it from this back hole. What we're looking for here is to get oil up onto this mark on the dipstick. Now that I've got the bottom plug back in it, I'm setting my trim back down so it's level. This is where the dipstick goes. So you'll see me checking that periodically. There we go, up to the mark already. Check that. Dead on. Now we can take this hose back out, put the other one back in. Some of it drained out, so I'm going to check a little bit from the supper plug. Make sure we're still on the mark. Dead on it. So that used about 2 1/4 quarts. Alright, here we go on the impeller. Next is the thermostat. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. We got the drive oil changed, we got the thermostat changed, and we got the impeller changed. Just 2 more items, I think, before we can test it out on the water. First one is, I need to put a carburetor kit in it. The second one is, I got to replace the control box cable. I've got both of those items here. We'll try to get those done. The next one or the next 2. Not sure how many videos it's going to take. Hopefully just one to be quick and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. See ya.